Hi everyone, my name is Elena and this is the second part of new features of Marvelous Designer series. In the previous part we created an outfit using modular library, and in this part we are going to make a belt with buckle. So let's begin. Okay, now what I need here is to make the belt. Ctrl+C and delete all the sewing lines. Also deleting this part. I don't need to do this. What you need to do before simulating is that the belt should be a little bit narrower respect to the waistband. So I reduce 1 centimeter here. What I'm seeing is that they are connected, so remove linked editing. I don't know if here I need to do it. No. So press on Z, and here I count down 1 centimeter. Okay. I didn't see this part. Thank God this part was sewn to the bottom part, so now. Okay, something else about the belts. If you don't want it to be pulled up, you need to use line tack tool. You can find it in the 3D window, just like this. Double click, double click, double click, and it doesn't move anymore. Also here, this exact moment that I think I double click and I can go, it says no. When did you see? I never went there. Mamma mia. Okay, let's save it. Now let's add a buckle. When can you find a buckle? Let's use a trim. We have a buckle here. Here you can see in the trim, in object browser, you just bring it to the scene. Did I open it? Okay, for making a belt, you need more pieces than what you think. And let me show you. Okay, where do you go? Okay, it's not far. You need 1 piece here. Okay, my problem is that I made it as big as the waistband. Okay, 1 should be here. and it needs a hole. Comes here, and it is sewn to this. I need to make an internal line here, and now I sew these two together. This was just one part. Let me deactivate. Pardon me, it should be here. I was taking the wrong end. It should be sewn to this. OMG. Okay. These two shouldn't be sewn together anymore. Okay. But also I want this. Did I deactivate it? Deactivate? Deactivate. I don't want it to move a lot. Okay. Let me deactivate this. And did it is sewing. Freeze this. Okay. Okay, now I need some other pieces. One of them goes here inside. And attaches to this one, and of course, hold down on W and click. These two should be sewn together, and I need to create a hole here. Okay, now I see that I'm having too much. Okay, and I'm going to merge and make some more of these holes. AW and click. Here I'm going to delete this pin and merge. Shift Q. Cut OK. It seems like we're having a little bit of problem here. Okay. Did you know that you can say how much it can be stretchy or not? Do you see the difference? You can also define its weight. And the most important thing is that you can tack it. You can use Tack tool for your trims now. OMG, it's too much light. So that's it for now, and let's continue the rest of it in the next part.